all, welcome to this design thinking video on AWS in cloud computing. How Amazon Web Services working in the cloud computing. Let's have the DD based discussion here. Let's start the Amazon Web Service how using in the cloud computing.
Good morning all. Today we are going to see about Amazon Web Services, that is cloud services basically. First of all, why do we need cloud? Cloud is now it's making our lives easy because first of all, before previous times we are using about different types of hardware and which are more costly, and we have servers so that it had more cost and it was taking our spaces too. We need separate space for that allocation, and we have many problems for that. Solving this problem, the cloud has been a trending technology used over there because we don't need a space to be kept for the service or anything. This is serviced by Amazon, that is AWS. They service cloud computing, database, storage, and other things too, which are more helpful, and this is being more useful today because this time on this session right now the price of RAMs and ROMs have been increasing all around the world, and due to that it is being more damaging our people's lives because people who want to develop their life are not having or couldn't take the opportunities. That's why with what we need, that much amount we can give it to Amazon. According to that, we can get a space from it. That's what Amazon Web Services do for life.
You can continue.
I would like to take over the case study on Amazon Web Services adoption by your company. I will talk about the company background. ABC Solutions Private Limited is a Bangalore-based company in science IT services company established in 2014. It focuses on web applications development and mobile application development.
You are telling that Amazon will be basic helping in the cloud. How the Amazon company plays a vital role in the cloud computing services. So AWS, as we just from the point, Amazon is the first company providing the major contributions to the cloud services. So from that we can continue the remaining things.
Yeah. What is something Amazon? See, before AWS there were companies which if they own servers, they need their own network connection which should be connected 24/7 in order to access their service. So this is a pain for startups which needs capex. They need hardware, good network service, and as the service grows, there should be a lot more hardware to compensate for the request, the demand the customers create. So it is a pain for startups. What Amazon Web Services does is they rent this service. Either the person can take hardware, raw hardware from AWS, like say EC2 instance, which is a popular option in AWS, or also storage, S2 storage, or a network, VPS, anything like that. They could literally rent any component of a computer. Therefore, companies don't have to have the hardware, they just need the subscription to the access to that, so that they can host their web services, software, whatever it is. Anything software, they need a server or computer. This is a huge help to startups or companies which don't have their hardware upfront.
Yeah, fine. You can continue the what you told. Amazon is from this point. Amazon is a paid for startups.
So
What's
while
your view?
all the points, so as she said, there is a problem for the ABC solutions. So here comes a solution for that company. So what that company does is, that is ABC company, they transfer the infrastructure does it is they run the real applications on the virtual services. The second solution will be Amazon S3. Basically, what it does is this is for the security purpose and like for the secure data transmission, all the security purposes they use Amazon S3. The third solution for this will be Amazon RDS. We call it as a relational database system. So what it does is they manage all the databases what that company has. They manage all the databases, that is called as RDS. The next solution will be traffic to avoid all the traffic in the cloud. They use these solutions called ELP. And the next solution will be like Amazon IaaS. So what it does is to like the user access there, no, there will be some some problems. To solve that problem, they use the Amazon IaaS. So these are the solutions for that company.
Okay, fine. From our point, we can conclude our DD-based video here. So, how the Amazon plays a vital role in the cloud computing service providers, and also the Microsoft Azure and other service providers will be we can discuss in the next classes. So, thanks for watching. Thank you.